Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chrysler 300, and if you need to find the relay for the vacuum pump, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, how to test the relay, and also if you have problems with the vacuum pump and it's still not working, we'll explain what else could be causing. So all that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to guys buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So specifically guys, we have a 3.6 Chrysler 300. Let me get something to point with quick, but right here guys on Chrysler 300, that's your fuse box. That's the fuse box, that's the lid. How do you open? You have two things. I need to squish towards each other, pull up, flip it on the side, and now the relay guys that we need to check actually for the vacuum pump will be relay guys, okay, number 25. So if you look at it, this one will be vacuum pump relay number 25. You can see the very first relay on the left side. So you grab it and pull it out. If you want to see where you can buy replacement relays for a good price and quick shipping, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's always a good idea to keep one of those spare actually in your glove box, because you never know when you will need one. If you need to see how to test a relay on a car, we'll put a link in the description of the video below that will teach you how to do that. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Now if you still have problems with the vacuum pump not working, I'll recommend to check fuses, and if the fuses are not good, everything's good, relays, fuses, we'll have a video how to test vacuum pump and how to replace vacuum pump on a 3.6 Chrysler 300 as well. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.